This video will show you how to download your worksheets and upload them with your answers to the assignment folder. When you get to the folder, if you have access, you'll see the name of the folder and the worksheet. You want to click on the actual name of the folder. The reason that we ask you to do that is because then you will actually see directions and explanation here on this part of the folder. As you scroll down, you'll be able to see the actual worksheet itself, just like the link that you saw on the previous page. What you want to do is click on that link to open that file. You can also download it, but you want to keep it as a Word file. If you do not have Microsoft Word on your current computer, then you want to make sure that you're using Office 365 to open this document, or you download Microsoft Office, and you can do that for free. If you need assistance with that, please contact the help desk and they can walk you through, or you can go to the technology info guide that is explained in your course shell and your textbook that explains how to do the download or access Office 365 from your Falcon Mail. When you open the worksheet, you will see it looks like a worksheet. It has numbered questions and instructions. Please make sure that you do not change the format. You want to leave the numbers intact. You want to just type your answers in after the question. It's important that your instructor can see the question that you're responding to and that they have the proper numbers. So if you make an error, they can make a reference such as, you made an error on number 3. So please make sure that that stays intact. So when you want to type your answer for number 1, you just click right after the question and you type your answer. So what you can do, some students will like to make their answer stick out a little bit more. They highlight it, they make it bold, they make it a different color. That's up to you if you want to do it that way. But that's what you'll do, is you want to type your answers after each question. And make sure that you're scrolling so that you can get to all of the questions. Sometimes the worksheet will be more than one page. So make sure that you're looking for that you're answering all of the questions. Once you're finished, then you want to go under File and Save, and you want to save your file ordinarily with your last name and the name of the assignment. So my last name is Leonard, so I'll name it as Leonard Technology Skills. Okay, I've downloaded my worksheet, I've filled out my answers, and I've saved it. So I come back to the assignment folder and I scroll down past the worksheet. There is the rubric here for me to use as a reference. I can double check my work to make sure that I've met all of the standards so that I can get my best grade. And underneath the rubric is where you'll see Submit Assignment. This is where I'm going to now attach my file. So you want to click Add a File, and you're going to attach the worksheet from wherever you have it saved. Once I've added the file, pretty much I'm done. You shouldn't have to put any comments here. Ordinarily, you only will put a comment if you're making a correction or if you've been asked to resubmit and they want to see what version it is. So unless otherwise told, you can leave the comment area blank, and then you hit Submit. When you hit Submit, then you're going to get a confirmation page. So it's showing you the submission ID, what document you posted. Double check. Did you post the wrong assignment? Maybe you put a different file there by accident. So make sure that you put the correct file there. Then it also tells you when you submitted it, and it also tells you that an email was sent to you to confirm it. So you want to double check that email. It's sent to your Falcon Mail. In your Falcon Mail, you should see something that came from this address called Submission Receipt, and the email will tell you that your submission was confirmed. Save this until you earn a grade on the assignment. That way you know that there's no issue, no problem, and if you do have to verify that you did actually submit something, you have proof. As mentioned earlier, if you need to download Microsoft Office or learn how to use your Office 365 account, just go to this address or go right to the DSC library and choose the info guides and technology resources, and you'll be able to get to this page where it gives you some videos about how to find your Office 365 apps on Falcon Online, and it explains how to download Office to the device of your choice, and it gives you video instructions. Hopefully you found this video helpful and you'll successfully submit your worksheets for your class.